What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Yon4E back with another video. As in my other video, I showed y'all that I told y'all I was gonna be doing another video. Today is the day. We finna get into it though. Finna show y'all what I got in the mail. Finna open up this package. They packaged this up, man, really good, man. Dang. They packaged this up, man, good, man. Hold on, y'all. Y'all ready for the hype? Let me see. I'm finna start off with the stuff that came in the package first. We got a sticker. Yes, sir, man. We got the real deal. We got G.O.D., man. Finna show y'all with it. Warranty card. Came with a little warranty card. Finna show y'all right now. Let me open this real quick. They packaged this up very good, too. See? Y'all probably can't see. I can see it on that side, though, G.O.D. Yeah, this a lifetime guarantee warranty card. Y'all can see that, can't y'all? Yep. Yeah. But I'm finna show y'all what we got. We come with anything else? Okay. Since I got the little dirt edition, limited edition, we got you feel me? We got a card. It say Lil Dirt X G.O.D. Y'all see it, man. Y'all go shop with G.O.D. They got some good jewelry over there for real. Y'all see it, man. I'm just showing y'all the stuff that it came with. All right, but now we finna get into the unboxing though. We finna get into it. Y'all see it, man. This mug, I ain't gonna lie, this hard. It's nice. This a good box too. Keep y'all jewelry nice in here. Finna slide this off for y'all so I can show y'all. Oh, this mug nice. Y'all see the box? This is gold. Stop playing. This hard though, I ain't gonna lie. Finna show y'all though. I'm trying to figure out how to slide. Do I slide it open? Oh. Hold on, y'all. I know how to open it. Y'all ready? We finna open it up together. Y'all ready? Yes, sir. Y'all see it. We got a bag. A G.O.D. bag. You zip it. It say G.O.D. on the little zipper right there. Y'all can't see it because the light too bright. But yeah. It's like a little zipper right there. It say G.O.D. on the zipper. All right, so let's get into it. Hold on, man. I want to show y'all yet. I'm gonna look at it first. Let me look at it. I ain't gonna lie, this raw. Y'all ready to see, man? Y'all see it? We got the OTF pendant, man. Hold on, let me see if I can do it like this. See if I can show y'all right here. Got the OTF pendant, man. Nah, this mug shining in person, I ain't gonna lie. This mug hard. They got another plastic on top of another plastic. Hold on, though. Dang, G.O.D. Nah. This mug tough, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that, but this tough. I'm not gonna lie. Finna see if I can show y'all the detail of it. Y'all see it, man. Let me show y'all the detail of it. This mug hard. This mug hard. I ain't gonna lie. This mug tough. Let me turn this light back up for y'all. This mug right here is tough. I almost dropped it. But yeah, y'all look at the detail on the back of it. It's not gonna focus. Y'all can see it over here on this side, maybe. But it got like it's like little zebra. Y'all see it, man? It's like little zebra stripes. This hard though. This is tough. I ain't gonna lie. But this mug in person, I wish I could show y'all the shine, bro. This mug tough. Matter of fact, I am gonna show y'all the shine on this. But y'all gotta wait though. I'm gonna show y'all though for sure. This mug tough though. I wanna show y'all how it looks, like the actual. Y'all can see it, but y'all can't see it. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna show some videos on it. After I edit this video, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, but we got this. We got a tennis chain. It came with a tennis chain. I'm gonna show y'all a little tennis chain it came with. I'm gonna try it on for y'all too, so y'all can see how it looks on me. Hold on, let me see how this look. This mug shining. Oh my god. This mug in person is crazy shine. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's not gonna focus, but I probably can see it a little bit. But this mug shining though. I'm finna throw this on for y'all so I can show y'all how it looks. Finna get into it. Hold on real quick. Take this jacket off real quick. Let's see. And that's why I hate classes like this. It's so small. But yeah, we finna get into it. I'm finna show y'all how it looks, and then we finna diamond test it. Just to see if it passed the diamond test. I don't know if it will, but the shine on this mug is crazy in person. Bro, this crust so small. I can't even get this mug on. Why they make class so small? There we go, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see it. We got it on the neck. Nah, this mug crazy. If I could really show y'all how this look, bro, this is crazy. Y'all can't really see it though. I wish I could actually show y'all how it look. I'm gonna show y'all how it look though for sure. But this mug hard. I'm finna take it off so I could diamond test it just to see if it passed the diamond tester, but I don't think it will. These are 5A CZs. These are 5A CZs, so I don't know if these are past the diamond tester or not. We finna see though. That's hard though. That's a good pendant. I would wear this. This could be a daily pendant, but it's not gonna be a daily pendant. Let me get my diamond tester real quick, show y'all. See if it passed the diamond tester. See if these really 5A CZ stones. Let's see. Turn this on for y'all real quick. I'm gonna let it heat up first. We got the diamond tester, man, as in the other video. Wait for it to say ready, okay. Then we go test it. Let me take this. Then we go test the tennis chain next. All right, it's ready. All right, y'all ready for it? I'm finna see. It's gonna beep if it does pass it. It's on the stone. It's not moving. It's not moving, y'all. It's not moving. Yeah, it's not moving. All right, let's test the tennis chain. These tennis chain is crazy. It's not going up, y'all. It's not going up. Yeah, these 5/8 CZ stones. It ain't gonna pass the diamond tester. But as y'all can see though, this is tough, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm finna get into the B-roll for y'all. And this finna be the end of the video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Y'all see it, man. This mug hard. I can't lie, this bitch hard. Look how this mug shines, y'all. This bitch bad. Y'all see that? They was not capping this bitch. Dancing in the light. This bitch dancing in the light.